In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install MCP servers on Claude Desktop step by step so you can connect Claude with external tools and unlock a much more powerful workflow. We'll use the GitHub MCP server as our example, and I'll show you exactly where to get the code, where to paste it, and how to finish the setup correctly. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the GitHub MCP server page at github.com/github/GitHub Server. This is the official repository where the setup instructions are listed, and it's the safest place to start because you want to make sure you're using the correct configuration. Once the page loads, scroll down until you find the section called Install in Other MCP Hosts. Under that section, click on Claude Applications. This will show you the setup options specifically for Claude-based apps. Keep scrolling until you see Claude Desktop, because that's the version we're configuring in this tutorial. At this point, you'll usually see two setup methods. You can use OAuth instead of a token, or you can use the personal token method. Both are valid, so choose whichever method fits your workflow best. If you want a quicker authentication flow, OAuth can be a convenient option. If you prefer to use a personal access token, that works too. Copy the code for the method you want to use, because we're going to paste it into Claude Desktop in just a moment. Now open Claude Desktop on your computer. In the bottom left corner, click your profile icon, then choose Settings. Inside Settings, look at the left sidebar and click Developer. This is where Claude Desktop lets you manage custom configuration and MCP server setup. Next, click Edit Config. Claude Desktop will open the configuration file you need, usually called Claude Desktop config.json. If the file opens in a text viewer, right-click the file and open it with your preferred code editor. You can use any code editor you're comfortable with, as long as you can edit and save the JSON file properly. Now paste the code you copied from the GitHub MCP server instructions into the config file. If you're using the personal token method, this is the point where you need to make one important change. Replace the GitHub personal access token placeholder with your own token. If you haven't created one yet, go to github.com/settings/personal access tokens and generate the token you need there. Make sure you copy it carefully, because a small mistake in the token or configuration can stop the MCP server from loading correctly. After you paste everything in and update the token if needed, save the Claude Desktop config file. Saving is important because Claude Desktop won't read the new MCP server settings unless the file is properly updated. Once that's done, restart Claude Desktop so it can apply the new server configuration. After the restart, your MCP server should now be installed and ready to use inside Claude Desktop. That means Claude can now connect to the GitHub MCP server and work with the tools you just configured. If everything was pasted correctly and the config was saved properly, the setup should be complete. And that's it. You've just installed an MCP server on Claude Desktop using the GitHub MCP server setup. If this tutorial helped you out, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.